Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Darius T Gaming, and I'm going to showcase one more video for the Seven Deadly Sins game. So there's a new skill called Lightning, or new magic called Lightning that just came out for players, and my friend here, Paladin, he's going to showcase that for us, just like he did the demon showcase. So um, we're going to get started on that. We're going to tell him to showcase it and explain it. So we're going to do that now. Alright, so he's going to use the first move. Okay, see, so that's the electric ball. But look, you see how it stays on my player? It's really laggy right now, but it stays on me and it does damage. Okay, and he said it affects a group a lot. So that's really nice. Let's see. Alright, so this is his second move. I'm not sure what the... Okay, it's like a form. It's kind of like my... Oh, he teleports too. Okay, so that's nice. With the same button you use to dash, which is Q, you teleport too. So it's a form just like my Firestorm form, but just lightning instead. And so you can see the difference in that, in these two forms of lightning and fire. So that's really neat. And it has defense. I'm not sure how much, but okay, but he has defense too. Let me see. And the last move. Okay, he said he's close. This is the last move, which is a thunder cloud, and it shoots lightning bolts, and it did, I think, 35 damage, and that's called Zeus's Wrath. And you see my health, it went down a little bit, but that's because I have an armor, so that's pretty neat. I like that. So yeah, those are all the lightning moves. Somehow it's strong to demon NPCs because it just spams. Okay, so yeah, it's stronger on certain NPCs like the demons. Those pop up over there and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna see if he wants to have a quick match. Alright, so we're gonna do this. Wait a while. Form to load back. Alright, so we're gonna have a quick match. He's glitched. His hair is not on his head. Alright. You see, that was my fireball. Oh yeah, because he could teleport. Okay, there's his lightning move. And I can't even use mine. He's teleporting. See, I can only dash, I can't teleport. Yep, I'm certainly dead. Oh well, I'm almost dead. Not just yet, but almost. Alright, you can see his lightning wand. So, um, especially because of his teleportation move, that and the lightning cloud when it pops up, so that kind of makes it really good. Let me see. I'm not sure how much HP he said he had left, but okay, so yeah, because my demon form is pretty strong. But yeah, that's it for this showcase, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know more videos you want to see for different games, and hope you enjoyed it.